MiDFUN Technology, your best partner for Industry 4.0 digital transformation. Today we introduce the equipment patrol inspection features of MiDFUN TPM. From inspection plans and schedules to work order entry, everything flows in one seamless process, keeping the health of every machine firmly in your hands. Every piece of equipment or instrument can have its own inspection plan and check items. Historical inspection records can be reviewed at any time, so the full equipment history is clear at a glance. Inspection schedules support custom grouping, for example by plant or by floor. Schedules can be added, edited, and deleted, with daily or weekly cycles, keeping every inspection task in good order. Each schedule defines its inspection time slots with grace periods before and after, then links the equipment to inspect with its inspection plan. When the time comes, the system automatically generates the inspection work orders. Inspectors open the work order list from the menu to see today's inspections and their time slots, and can quickly search for the orders that still need input. Inside a work order, you see the list of machines to inspect, with photos such as location maps. Press Enter inspection data, and the inspection starts right away. Each check item clearly lists its upper limit, center, and lower limit. Enter the reading on site and the system judges pass or fail automatically. Results are saved in real time, making the data truly reliable. On the floor, you can also scan a machine's QR code or RFID tag to open today's work order for that equipment and enter the check data on the spot. Wherever you walk, you inspect. Mobile inspection with zero lag. There is more: a calendar view, a phrase library, inspection notifications, and dashboards complete the toolkit, seamlessly integrated with TPM equipment maintenance. Inspection and maintenance, handled by one system. To recap the flow, define the inspection plans, set the schedules. Let the system generate work orders automatically, then open and execute them quickly. Plans turn into action by themselves. The system is proactive: instrument calibration, personnel assessments, GR&R schedules, and equipment maintenance all send notifications in advance, achieving prevention before problems occur. No task is ever missed. Instrument calibration plans and records go fully digital, replacing traditional paper labels entirely. Look them up on site with a phone, with a complete, traceable history. The data accumulated from inspection and maintenance becomes a management asset. Maintenance and repair costs are charted professionally. And with MTTR and MTBF reliability metrics, every cost item is clear at a glance. Advanced MSA and GR&R analysis then safeguard the reliability of your measurement systems, giving every inspection reading real credibility. After go live, the difference is obvious. Data is centralized on one server with access control. Tasks are auto-scheduled with early warnings. Reports are queried fast and generated in one click. Paperwork and manual effort are gone for good. Are your factory resources truly, fully integrated? MiDFUN TPM Patrol Inspection makes inspections easier and equipment more reliable. Visit the MiDFUN website and book a personal demo today.